Toyota Corolla 2008. Heat up problem was there, so we have removed the head and now the pistons as well. See, so what we are going to do is, we have already faced the block of the engine and we have given the head to the shop for facing it. So basically it might have been bent a little bit, so they'll face it and straight it. So yeah, this is it. And here are the pistons. You see the rings. This rings, due to heat up, it has been compressed. So now we will change this, and I will post my video later, which I will be fixing the head again. I forgot to take the video of the opening, so while closing I'll just show it to you. Here there is a thermostate of which opens and closes. We are going to change that, and yeah, here is the timing chain, and here is the outlet manifold exhaust. Inlet manifold is somewhere here. Here is the inlet manifold, and yeah, this is it. So I'll be posting the fixing video after this. Thank you.